Hello Algebra 1 students, this is lesson 37. Our objective is how do you write and use scientific notation. I think you've probably seen this before, but just in case you haven't, right here's the definition of scientific notation. A number written as a product of two factors in the form a times 10 to the nth power, where a, this number right here, is bigger than or equal to 1 but smaller than 10, meaning it's a single digit number. Well, there's only one whole number, and then there can be decimals after that. But 1 or bigger, but less than 10. And then this exponent is an integer, meaning it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or -2, -5, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to write each number in scientific notation. So right now the decimal place is right here, but where we want it is over here. So what we need to do is we need to see how many places it moved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So this is going to be 4.9 times 10 to the 6th. Okay? It's a big number, so I'm going to have a positive exponent. Okay, this next one's small. Right now the decimal place is right here, but I want it to be right here. So that number will be smaller than 10, bigger than 1. So let's see how many places we move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to have 9.3 times 10 to the -7. I use a negative number because this is a small number. And the decimal place needs to move to the left. Now let's work with multiplying them. Remember, if you have 2 times 3 times 4, that's going to be the same thing as 3 times 2 times 4, right? You can change the order as long as they're multiplying. Well, what we're going to do over here is I have 3.2 times 10 to the 7th times 4.3 times 10 squared. So I'm just going to rearrange their order. I'm going to say 3.2 times 4.3 times 10 to the 7th times 10 squared. Remember, these two have the same base, so this is going to come out to be times 10 to the 9th. And then I just need to multiply these two together, so 3.2 times 4.3 comes out to be 13.76. 13.76 times 10 to the 9th. However, this number is not in scientific notation. I need the decimal place to be here, right? So what I think about is, as it is now, I would be moving this 9 places to the right. But if I want it 1 more to the left, that means I'm actually now going to have to move it 10 places to the right because I got 1 and then 9 more. So this thing will change into 1.376 times 10 to the 10th. Okay, same idea here with the quotient. This is like example 3. I'm going to think of this as saying 6.8 over 2.5 times 10 to the 5th over 10 to the 8th. Okay. 6.8 divided by 2.5 comes out to be 2.72 times, and then remember on these we would say 10 to the 5 minus 8, which is 10 to the -3. So this would be times 10 to the -3. Because remember, you just say top exponent minus the bottom exponent. There's how you simplify that down. And this number here is between 10 and 1, so that is in scientific notation. Your homework is right here on page 233. You're going to do all of them from lesson 37, all of them from lesson 36, and 5 more of your choice. Good luck.